Pedagogical patterns, PPs, are reusable solutions to particular pedagogical issues. They facilitate the transfer of expert knowledge in teaching and learning. Designing games for learning is a challenging, resource-intensive and inherently interdisciplinary activity. We propose that mapping PPs to serious game mechanics, a key method within game-based learning research, could lead to improved learning and gameplay outcomes. Very little previous research links these two topics. The study mapped serious game mechanics from 12 serious games onto established pedagogical patterns, using the learning mechanic game mechanic framework, which acts as a bridge between the conceptual foundations. There were two main aims: to establish if there are common patterns being used across 12 co-designed games on the topic of cybersecurity, and to facilitate knowledge exchange. Results show high interpretive flexibility in game design processes, a tendency to focus on lower-level learning outcomes, and confusion over terminology between designers. Key contributions are our systematic approach to align serious game mechanics with established pedagogical patterns, the identification of recurring strategies used in cybersecurity games, clarity of terminology for improved communication and understanding among interdisciplinary teams, and practical design recommendations. This work not only advances the field of game-based learning, but also promotes collaborative dialogue between the domains of education and game design.